Today I'm going to show you how to make some delicious homemade lemon curd. Let's get started. Okay. Let's make our lemon curd. First thing you want to do is get a medium-sized bowl and put 2 egg yolks in and 1 whole egg. To that you're going to add a 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. That is 100 grams. Now we're going to whisk this briskly for 3 to 4 minutes. It'll start to lighten in color. It'll get much smoother. Toward the end, I'll show you the texture it should have. So this process is called blanchir or ribboning. What we're doing is aerating this mixture, and we're also emulsifying, or really we're just making sure this is incredibly blended together. You can see it's much lighter in color and smoother, and it should form a ribbon when you pick up the whisk, like so. And that is ready to go into our pan. Now we need a medium saucepan. We're going to put our egg and sugar mixture in the saucepan. This is beautifully combined. That will make our lemon curd so much smoother. Now we're going to add in 1/3 cup of fresh squeezed lemon juice. Only fresh squeezed. That is 79 milliliters. Give that a stir and then turn the heat on to medium-low. We're going to stir this continuously for 5 minutes. When it starts to boil, then we will remove it from the heat. Okay, we're going to remove it from the heat. We're going to add in 1/4 cup of butter. That is 56 grams. Just going to kind of plop that in there. You want to stir that until that's melted. And then we're going to add in 1/2 teaspoon or 2.5 milliliters of vanilla for flavor. It's always a good idea to pour this in through a fine mesh sieve. This will just make sure that you get any little bits of uncooked egg, or you just want to make sure that the texture of this is nice and smooth, and this is the best way to do it. You want to cover this with plastic wrap until it cools. This will prevent it from getting a skin. Press the plastic right down onto the mixture. It comes right off when it's cool, I promise. Sit this aside and let it cool. The lemon curd is cool that we made together. I wanted you to see how it turned out. Look at the texture. It is absolutely beautiful. It's creamy and smooth. It's got a beautiful sheen to it, and it tastes amazing. So I made some homemade Danish and put the lemon curd on it. Isn't that amazing? The recipe for this is in the description below, and if you want to know how to make these Danish, then check out my cream cheese Danish recipe. I'll see you in the next video.